Do you know that we can actually see the history of a succulent or a cactus just by looking at it? So here's an example. This is a blue boy. So I have a lot of blue boys. I have here, and there's more at the back. As you can see on this part, this is when I bought it. I planted it. It's fat. But on this part, it says that it is etulated. As you can see, it's getting thin, it's stretchy, because during these times I put it in not well lit part of the house. There's no direct sunlight most of the day, and here when I put it outside, it's getting enough sunlight again, so it's getting fatter again. So just by looking at it, here it's getting enough sunlight, here it's insulated, and here it's getting enough sunlight again. So that's how you look at it. And here's another example about the succulents. Here's another example. This is a euphorbia. Here, as we can see, it's so thin in there. Can you see that? There, it's so thin, but from the base it's fat. So the history of this plant is it's at the bottom it's getting enough sunlight, and when it comes here it's not getting enough sunlight, so it is insulated. Then after that it's getting enough sunlight again, so it's fat again. So you can see the history of the plant by that. Here is another example. As you can see here on this part, it's insulated. Look at the leaves, it's so far apart. But on this end, it's getting compact. So from here, it's not getting enough sunlight. But as it grows, it's getting enough sunlight here. So it's not insulated on this part. So you can see the history of this plant just by looking at it. Thank you.